investment and market to subjected to risk. Please read all the documents carefully before the investing. So hello everyone, again most welcome back to my English speaking fluency video. Today we will see in the deep in the three topic we have discussed and what is the summary of the three financial books, one of the most in the particular season and also in the 21st century. You can also hear the name of the finance book is Rich Dad Poor Dad, and second Psychology of Money, and third Intelligent Investor. These all three books are diamond in the current time financial book. So in these three books I shortly and I conclude the three statement only is nothing but only first investment in your mind, and second, if you want to back big money then you have to take a risk, and third, if you are starting investment then you have to start from 20 years old or 25 years old. So if we start investing in our mind, the author says these statements why and how and what is the meaning of saying investment in yourself. Let's see in the detail and I explain. So according to me, if you want to investing in yourself, that the meaning of this sentence is nothing but only you have to learn something about investment. You have to know how much first time invest your money and what is the platform where you very friendly with investing, whatever angel one, growth, whatever, and also in the foreign market. So real bond, real estate, and also your study, these all are things is investing in yourself. If you want to increasing your investment money, so first of all the method tells these all books you think about how to increase your investment skill like real bond, and if you wanna to investment in real bond, so you search about the real bonds and discover about the real bonds, how do I get a lot of profit in the real bond and the real estate. In these all things are only not you have to learn, you have to go through practical. If I have learned 100%, then I am not to practically maybe possible 100%. If I got in the 80%, that is too much. So only knowledge is not necessary for any type of investment or any type of anything. While if you have not practical for the particular things, but remember that the knowledge is also important. So what is the priority level? According to me, you give also the priority. The first priority is knowledge, and second priority and the most priority, you have to go through practical. I have not taken much time. I have not too much time. I want to include my video, and we will meet in the next time. Bye bye and take care.